I'm going to teach you how to breathe.
I know how to breathe.
No, I meant meditative breathing.
Why would I want to know that?
Are you ready? We're going to activate our parasympathetic nervous system. First, sit comfortably with your legs under your desk. Sit up tall with your back straight, and your head, neck, and shoulders relaxed.
Focus on relaxing your shoulders. We tend to keep a lot of stress and tension in our shoulders, so relax your shoulders. We are going to inhale. Think to yourself as you breathe in through your nose for 5 counts. Then think to yourself as you breathe out through your mouth for 5 counts.
Now it's your turn. Watch Ashton and try to breathe meditatively.
Check your posture. Relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Place your legs under your desk. Sit up, tall in your seat. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat 2 more times. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Your parasympathetic nervous system helps you feel calm and focused. Let's spend some time in quiet reading. When you feel unfocused or distracted, take another deep meditative breath.
And let us know how your attempts at meditative breathing are making you a better reader and more creative writer.